Welcome to another Adventures with the Cohns. And today we're going on a hiking trip.
Woo!
So where are we heading to?
We're going to Oakland Nature Preserve. It's in Oakland, Florida. Never heard of it, and I've lived here my whole life. But it's in between Winter Garden and Claremont.
So we don't know what we're going to expect. So come along with us and see what we see.
Yeah, let's go.
Well, we made it to Oakland Nature Preserves and we are excited because we don't know what we're going to get ourselves into, but we might see some people on the trail with us. We may not, but right behind me is the education building, which we will check out after we do some hiking. So let's go on some trails. So I think we're going to go down the Lake Apopka trail. So let's see what we're getting ourselves into. It actually is nice because we don't know what's here, but just a lot of trails here.
It's very peaceful. Just seeing that education building up there, it just felt like you were up north. It's like a log cabin. It's so nice. Okay, I'm thinking there's a good chance we're gonna see some gators.
Uh-oh.
The alligators, girls.
We all know what alligators can do. Now, if you haven't seen our video where we actually saw an alligator, you need to click the link up top to view our video for that. But let's see if we can see a gator. So we just heard from a human. I know I'm kidding here. No, we just heard from a guy that was ahead of us saying that he actually did see a little alligator. So we're going to see if we can spot the alligator. So let's see. Alright, so we came to where we thought we were going to see the alligator, and apparently I guess it had left. It went underwater or went somewhere, we didn't get to see it. So we ended up coming to the end of the trail, and I think we come to Lake Apopka. So let's go ahead and see what that's about. So what are y'all thinking of the trail so far?
It's really nice. What do you guys say?
It's really nice. I like how you have the lake and the bridge. It's just really nice.
You said that you get to see the alligator. What about you,
Are you
Pumpkin?
sad? Did you want to see the alligator?
Which we all know alligators don't hurt anybody unless you go after them. What did you find?
An outhouse. You want to show Daddy? Oh, I'm gonna move that a bit.
Can you open up a little bit more?
She's enjoying the well.
What comes out of the well?
The bucket, but I can't lift that up. It's
You said you couldn't lift it open.
so heavy.
You can help.
Water inside.
I think there is water.
The
Let it
bucket
in.
doesn't go any.
So you probably have to see, like, you probably have to loosen to make it longer, but we won't do that. You can get water. Oh, or that way. Okay, as you can see,
There's an actual.
as you can see, I haven't been around very many wells. Okay. Oh, look, there's actually a handle.
I don't know what. I think it's what year 2022 now.
Okay, yeah, you could do it. Get some water.
Wow.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, I think here comes the turtle. The turtle house right there.
Oh, it's a turtle
Yep, there's some turtles.
Look at it.
Oh, it just
Wow.
went right in the water.
Yeah.
And seeing these sheds bring back some kind of a memory.
That's what they said it was.
It was bigger. If you don't know my story, I'll briefly share. I fell through a shed similar to that 20 feet down. Left me in a hospital for about 46 days. But I'll share more about that later.
Yeah, it's really a miracle you're out walking and hiking right now. That was, what, about 2.5 years ago? Almost
It'll be
3?
3 years come August 30th.
It says stay on the path. Maybe we shouldn't go very far.
God created all creatures and trails for us to enjoy. Oh, we came to a fork?
Let's go to the sinkhole.
We have to go right.
Hey, this reminds us of
What's this?
Hidden Waters Preserve. Remember the first?
We did a trail in Ocala called Hidden Waters Preserve.
It was in Houston.
I mean, Houston, man, that brain injury from the fall really. So we did a trail in Eustis, Florida called Hidden Waters Preserve. If you haven't seen that video, click the link in the top right corner and check it out.
And there's an amphitheater over there apparently.
An anteater?
Amphitheater.
Sorry, dad joke. Oh, look at that artwork. Wait, is that humans I see ahead?
That really is a house.
Oh, here's the sinkhole.
At least they have signs on this one. On the other trail there wasn't.
Yeah,
We don't even know if we found it.
maybe the sinkhole's to the left. Me and sinkholes don't mix because I remember in that video that you're gonna see, I think I said it was a sinkhole, but I don't think it was. So, but you'll
Go back and
we'll have to go back and see if we can find the sinkhole. But you'll have to let us know if you see the sinkhole.
Is this it? At least they have a sign here. Florida sinkhole. This is the Oakland Nature Preserve sinkhole. The sinkhole is Riley. No. The sinkhole is apparently very old, as indicated by the fact it's become filled with dead leaves.
I think it's time for us to go see the anteater.
Anteater.
No. Don't scare the little one.
Amphitheater.
Anteater.
Yeah, anteater.
I think we may have found the anteater. Well, there you have it, Oakland Nature Preserve. We had such a great time going through the different hiking trails and seeing Lake Apopka and almost seeing an alligator, but it ended up going away, so we were not able to see it. And we ended up seeing some outhouses too, and it wouldn't be something that you want to see, but they were actually made well. So if you haven't liked our video, definitely hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, but also hit the notification bell so that you get notified on our next video. So if you enjoyed this video, we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.